first makeup tutorial. It's probably going to be kind of awkward. It is kind of weird talking to a camera. This look was requested, so I filmed it. Hopefully you guys like it. Let's get into the video. Alright, the first thing I do is I prime my eyelids using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. Sharp look, and it also helps with wing liner if you're a beginner or you just can't get it down. I do this sometimes. Just take Scotch tape, put it on the back of your hand, take it off a couple times so it's not as sticky, and line it up with your lower lash line. I'm going to be taking the Jeffree Star Alien palette for this look. I'm literally using Phone Home, and I'll be using Black Hole for the black and Pluto for the highlight. But the majority is just Phone Home. And then you're going to take a fluffy blending brush. And you're just going to start blending it. Just take a clean blending brush and just go over the edges to blow it out more. Blend it. I like to use small circular motions. When you're done with that, I'm going to go into the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Koosh. I'm going to put that all over both of my lids with my finger. It's the best way to apply these. Then I'm going to do wing liner. You can use liquid, gel, whatever. I prefer liquid. And then for this part, if you don't really know how to do wing liner, just follow the tape and make a line. And make a line across your lash line. Connect them. And fill it in. Once you've got a wing on, I like to take an angled liner brush and go in with a black shadow to intensify it. Sometimes liner isn't so matte or pigmented. To put my primer on, I'm using the Joah Glow Activator Radiance Primer. For For foundation, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Pro Glow. To go in with the L'Oreal infallible, full wear. I really like this one. Since I have dry skin, I don't like to set my entire face, so I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Loose finishing powder, and I just set where I put concealer. Now I like to go in and do my eyebrows. I'm going to quickly do that off camera and I will be right back. Okay, I went ahead and did my brows. I tightlined and did my waterline, curled my lashes, and now I'm going to apply mascara. This is the Kiko Extra Sculpt Volume Mascara. Line. I'm going to take a fluffy pencil brush and go into that phone home. Then I'm going to go in with a flat definer brush and pick up the black hole shade, which is the black, and connect it to my wing, very close to my lash line. Back in the same phone home shade, just blend that out. Okay, now I'm gonna go in and highlight my inner quarter with Pluto. I'm going to spray it with a little Fix Plus to intensify it. I'm going to go in with Pluto and highlight my brow bone. Alright. Now I'm going to put mascara on my lower lashes. Bronzer on. I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. infused always cheeky blush. Now for highlighter, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Jelly Highlighter in the shade Bubbly. Just take a little bit on my finger. And I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. White Gold. With the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I'm just going to take a nude lip liner. Cold Shoulder by Dose of Colors. You could go in with a nude if you really want, but I thought this would just make that like purpley mauve shadow pop. Which, by the way, you don't have to use the Jeffree Star Alien palette. Just any mauve tone, purpley eyeshadow and a black would work just fine. That's it. That's the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully going to try to keep making some videos. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. Give it a like. Thanks. See you next time. Bye.